he could still work. So yeah, gonna get his feet wet. See, I don't want to instantly kill a toy, so let's see if it's gonna work. Okay, that worked, but it just only goes up to there. So you just gotta keep dunking him in, I guess. Face first now. And maybe get some of that pizza. See, the problem with putting electronics underwater is just that if you keep them under there for too long, or if you just dunk the whole thing in, you know, let's say you instantly kill toys. So I'm not going to do that, but yeah, see if it'll work with that. Still works. Oh, come on! The pizza does not want to come alive. Its eyes are closed, but the toy doesn't want to work. The pie! Come on! You can do better than that. Oh my god, seriously? Let's sing the pizza song together. If only you're gonna get it right. Failed? I gotta get this toy in the mail and it doesn't even want to work. But that's the case with these destruction videos. If it doesn't work, still gotta work with it.
I think that Pizza Elmo has low batteries. I think he needs to change that Pizza Elmo some batteries.
Get that pizza wet. Now you're doing it right, but you're still stopping. So you gotta get the pizza more wet. You gotta get the circuits wet, but I don't want to get the toy too wet, otherwise it's gonna break. Dang it. Oh shoot, battery compartment. Alright, screw back in the battery compartment. Now, see if it still works. That does it. All because you won't cooperate with singing the stupid song. Now let's see if it works.
Let's sing the pizza song together. Let's sing the pizza song together. Let's sing the pizza
Busted out the battery compartments. Again. Screw. It just disappeared. It slammed it on the ground and the thing just went flying. Oh, there it is. Right there. Holy crap.
Let's sing the pizza song together.
Does not want to work.
Let's sing the pizza song together. Let's sing the pizza. Let's sing the pizza song together. Let's sing the pizza.
Never wants to work. Great.
Let's sing the pizza song together.
Oh, now he's gonna put the speaker in
So we're going to throw
the
it in.
speaker on Elmo's head in the water.
Oh my god! It just started working again.
Let's sing the pizza song together.
I've never had this happen with one of the Elmo toys. Try it one more time. Oh, gosh, it's falling apart again. Get the batteries back in there. That does it.
That's a pizza time.
He's destroying the singing Pizza Elmo.
Pizza Elmo. All right.
That's funny. That's funny.
Let's see if you want to work any better than you just did before. So I can do that. So slap in the batteries real quick. Turn them back on. Come on, sing.
Now he's not working.
Come on, sing. Sing! For the entrance. Yum, yum, baby pizza, so much fun. Who ordered a talking pizza? I know I have. It's giving me a death glare now.
Oh! Now the white part is gonna come off on that Pizza Elmo.
Hey guys, what is the worst sleepy day? Probably think of a couple. I don't know, maybe that pizza. That was I can think of the best pizza I've ever had, aside from Domino's, Papa John's. It's pizza court. You don't live in California? Well, you're about to.
If you like this video, hit subscribe. Goodbye, and I'll see you tomorrow, and have a great day.